Hey guys, if you want to see how I prepared this delicious Jamaican style meal prep for my family, you might want to keep watching.
Brown skin, face pretty like awa. I be limited edition, body attire proper. Me irregular, them come on like a vanilla. Sweet honey, them a bit of vinegar.
All right, so the first thing I'm going to make is some Jamaican style oxtail. This oxtail was marinated in the fridge for about 24 hours. After it was removed from the fridge and I browned it in a Dutch pot. All you have to do is get a frying pan or a Dutch pot, add some oil, and continue turning the oxtail until it's brown on both sides. Next, I went ahead and put it in my Ninja pressure cooker with a bunch of garlic to where it needs to get nice and tender. To the side, I've cut up some tomatoes, some onions. There's also some additional garlic. I have some scallions, some thyme, and some sweet green pepper. I also plan on making some boiled green banana and some boiled pumpkin. So I'm just going to pressure the oxtail in the Ninja pressure cooker until all of the oxtail is nice and tender. You don't want it to be falling off the bone just yet. You're just making sure that the largest piece of the oxtail is nice and soft. So it took 35 minutes to fully cook the oxtail and to make sure it was nice and tender. Add in all of your seasoning along with some thyme and some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, but not too much because it well hot. Then you want to add in your allspice seasoning, and then you want to add in some tomato ketchup. After you've added that in, just go ahead and stir everything together to make sure that your seasoning is fully incorporated in the delicious Jamaican oxtail. Guys, trust me, if you could smell this oxtail right now, it smells so good. This oxtail ton up. So I have a dual function Ninja. It pressures, air fries, steams, bakes, and broils. I love it, guys. This thing is like jack of all trades. So I went ahead and put the oxtail on the broil function for about 15 minutes. However, I'm only going to leave it on for about 5 minutes just until the onions and scallions look translucent. So everything's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Open up a can of butterbean, rinse it off, and add that butterbean into the oxtail. Go ahead and mix everything up and then close it back down for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Ooh, look at that, guys. Stir it up. Just make sure everything is well blended. All right, now it is done. Everything is finished. The oxtail is fully cooked. All the seasoning is well incorporated within your oxtail and it well ready. All right, guys, this is how you make authentic Jamaican style oxtail. Now we're going to make the curry chicken. This curry chicken has been marinated inside of the fridge for 24 hours. After it was removed from the fridge, I took a skillet. I added some oil along with some Jamaican curry powder, and I burned the curry powder until the powder and the oil was incorporated. I then added some garlic and ginger and then the chicken. I sauteed the chicken in the burnt curry oil until everything was well incorporated, and then I added in a half cup of water and covered the chicken. Also, I am cooking the green banana along with the pumpkin, and I am also making some brown rice for hubby. I don't eat any kind of grain, but he does, so I make this only for him. Now we're going to make some delicious baked okra. Wash the okra with some vinegar, add it into a lined tin foil along with some salt and pepper and extra virgin olive oil. Put it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 425 degrees and voila. Now I'm going to make some delicious sautéed cabbage. I like to get the pre-made cabbage mix that has already been shredded in the bag because ain't nobody got time to be buying a big head of cabbage and shredding it. I get this from Stop and Shop or Walmart. I buy a couple of these bags and I just put it in a tin bacon dish and I add in some onions, some avocado oil. I also add in some fresh thyme, a chicken bouillon, some pepper, some pink Himalayan salt, and then some butter. Don't be shy with that butter. Put as much in as you'd like. Then just go ahead and pop that bad boy in the oven at 425 for about 25 to 30 minutes and voila. Look at it, nice and hot, delicious, not too soft. The cabbage should still have some crunch to it. Do you see how this cabbage has shrunken down since it's been cooked? Look how small it is. But guys, it's so good. Lastly, I'm going to make myself some cauliflower rice. Go ahead and get a skillet and put in some sesame oil. Add in your desired amount of cauliflower rice along with some pink Himalayan salt. Go ahead and add in some black pepper and also add in a couple teaspoons of butter. Incorporate everything by cooking it on high heat until the rice is soft and fully cooked. And then voila, delicious, oh so good cauliflower rice.
1 hour later.
As you can see, I am all done with my meal prep. All the meals within the black containers are for my hubby, and all the meals within the glass containers are for myself. I do a weekly meal prep every single week just to ensure that we always have a home cooked meal. This week, I decided to tap into my roots and make some authentic Jamaican style dishes. Thanks again for watching my video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see more meal prep videos from me, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a brand new video. I intend to post videos every Thursday and every Sunday. All right, I'll see you in the next video.